No need to worry. Most alarms or beeps are designed to alert you of changes in your laundry center or an action on your part is required. Here are some normal operating sounds and lights. With your washer, you may hear beeps when selecting your cycles and settings, and again when you pause a laundry load. On some units, your display may even blink. Lights you may see on your washer include: close washer lid will illuminate if the washer lid is open. Just close the washer lid before starting the washer. Balance load will illuminate if the wash load is unbalanced in the tub during the wash cycle. Pause the washer and redistribute the wash load. Then press Start. With your dryer, you may hear beeps when starting a drying cycle before the drum begins to turn or when you pause a load. Lights you may see on your dryer include: close dryer door will illuminate if the dryer door is open. Just close the dryer door before starting the dryer. Clean lint will illuminate and, in some models, blink after each drying cycle as a friendly reminder. Clean the lint filter after every use. Note: clean lint will remain blinking as part of normal operations even after you've cleaned the filter. We're here to help. Check out your use and care guide for more information. Visit www.frigidaire.com or call us at 800-374-4432. That should do it. You've got this.